that gone?
Half of it or the whole thing?
For half it, then I need another half.
Cheers.
Oh.
Don't eat the bread, let it burn.
Don't eat the bread.
No, give it back.
Hey,
Oh my God.
Is that toaster stale?
Swallow.
bread?
Hey, give me that shit.
Oh, I can smell it. Hot? Ah! I know you're burning.
One bite.
Oh.
Just take a bite of the bread. My tongue is on fire.
Are those tears I see?
I'm not crying. Eyes watering.
Yeah, no. I just make it feel like you're crying. Like
I'm watering.
Do that again. You can't give us
Nothing happens to Bruno.
I'm Italian. You let me do it. Dude, if I have a heart attack, you guys please call the ambulance.
Yo, can you eat one? I'm in ice cold water.
Can you eat a whole one?
Please let me zoom in your eye. There's ice cold water, please. Oh, look at that. There's ice cold water, cheers. Okay, go run to the hose. I'm so hot, is that
Yeah.
Okay, I got one.
Okay, let him eat him. Wait.
This whole
Wait, no,
bread.
wait. I gotta go tape him because he's still dying over there.
I want the water.
Oh my god. Look at him dying. Is that the last pepper you ever had?
Okay, my turn, ready?
Okay, go. No,
Whole
thing.
Whole thing, pussy. Come on.
Oh my god, that
Hey,
was
don't be
hard.
standing.
No,
Spit it out.
Come here, close up. It's burning my cheek. Hey, don't be swearing on camera.
Yeah.